Scott from North Dallas has a question about window upgrades.
Yeah, there for this handsome 1963 home.
I like it.
Yeah, classic.
In 63, it was a good house, man.
Well, it's still a good house.
Yeah, it's just the styles have changed.
Well, as a matter of fact, he says the house still has the original aluminum windows. 3 of them are in the back, and we're removing the masonite siding back there so we could put builder's windows in, he says, the kind with the wings that they nail on and all that, instead of replacement windows.
The flanges, yes.
So what about that? What about going that way, first of all?
If you can, it's great. If you're removing all your siding,
yeah,
you can go ahead and just buy them, and you can flange set them, as we say. Most of the time, window replacement is not done that way because of the fact that you don't remove the siding, you don't remove the brick or the stone or whatever the case may be. But if you can get a standard size, and if it is a standard size, you can probably save a few dollars on those windows by buying just standard-sized flange set windows and then put your new siding to it.
A flange set window, that's what a builder
That's how they go in new construction, as opposed to sliding in, and then what they do is they set jam screws on window replacements into the studs. Jams and flange and lookouts and studs. You know how it works.
And then they wrap them.
And you wonder why they do wrap them. But you wonder where all these words come from, in construction business. Nobody knows.
Nobody knows. Well,
nobody knows.
We'll get into the entomology of building
no kidding.
Day. He has additionally, he goes on, and this guy also asks, the rest of the house is brick now, okay? He says, I'd like something thinner than the casing of the vinyl windows. He's seen vinyl windows, and we both know that the vinyl windows can tend to have kind of a thicker frame on
absolutely.
To give the vinyl the structure. Is that right? So he wants to know, what are your options? He's considering, vinyl, obviously, wood or composite, or is there something else?
I don't think I'd consider wood. In fact, I would make sure that the windows you put in your home are all matching. So if you do all vinyl, do all vinyl. If you do all composite, which I'm about to get into, do all composite. But as far as North Dallas goes, it's still Texas. Wood is not a great option, so I'd probably stay away from it. And it's going to be super expensive, too. But the new composite windows, like Jim Fiume has a Gulf Coast windows with his composite type window.
And he's in Dallas.
He is in Dallas, that's right. They have a thinner frame because they have more structure to it, and the frames are smaller so you get more glass, which is really nice with these new windows. And they're more energy efficient than all the others, and you can probably get them set with a flange too. If not, you can still set them a replacement way and put your siding up to it, but make sure your windows match.
All right. Make sure your questions are coming to us, because we'll match them with an answer. At Home Show Radio, send them right there under the Ask Tom tab at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer them like these videos over here.